Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Amagenix 8 by 12 foot beige pergola sunshade canopy replacement cover, a perfect blend of durability and style for your outdoor spaces. Crafted from non-recycled, 100% HDPE shade fabric with 5% anti-UV granules, this canopy offers commercial-grade UV resistance, ensuring it stands the test of time while providing up to 90% shading and privacy protection from direct sunlight and prying eyes. The innovative design features snaps on the short sides and rust-resistant brass grommets every 2 feet on the long sides, making installation a breeze with the included 30 zip ties. This versatile cover is ideal for decks, pergolas, greenhouses, gardens, gazebos, or any outdoor area needing a sun shield, transforming your space into a private oasis. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, Amagenix promises a product life of approximately 2 years, thanks to its brand new materials. Whether you're seeking shelter from the sun or a cozy outdoor retreat, this pergola cover is your go-to solution. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.